Okay, who wants to go on a holiday? Get your bids in right now. Congratulations!
It's time for the travel auction where you could win a fabulous houseboat escape at the price you choose to pay. Here's how it works. I give you the details of a short holiday package that invites you to call the travel auction hotline and register your bid. There is absolutely no reserve price. The highest 50 bids will be accepted. And our package is for either 3 nights weekend or 4 nights midweek accommodation with Oz Houseboats. Just choose the number of berths that suit you and place your bid. That's for 3 nights weekend or 4 nights midweek houseboat accommodation. How much will you bid? Come on, 1300 65 65 73 or travelauctions.com.au.